In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the HFT Scalper Premium on my Exness demo for months, and zounds, it scalped highs with plus 91.24% gains, like a parodic precision pirate. Telegram Tatler trumpeted it as the EA that controls risk without the ruckus. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this HFT Scalper Premium Maestro of Margins. The zip folder for the HFT Scalper Premium disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the HFT Scalper Premium to XAUUSD's M5 Proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the HFT Scalper Premium parades its plus 91.24% absolute gain escapade on Exness demo, ballooning a $100 deposit into $191.23 balance with $91.23 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.26% chuckles. Monthly 91.24% guffaws. Equity curve of bemused ascent lampooning manual traders flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for high-frequency scalpers that ride tight ranges. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the HFT Scalper Premium's built-in high-frequency scalping efficiency, grid trading system with custom risk control settings, fully automated with prop firm readiness, and ideal for gold traders that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips in the thousands. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably on XAUUSD without overtrading. Drawdowns only 25.24% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph barely dipping. It's not flashy fireworks, but it's thriving quietly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bait that delivers low-stress, consistent monthly gains on the yellow metal, this HFT Scalper Premium is the real deal, hands down. All right, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the HFT Scalper Premium on MT4 with ticks from recent data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $1,273.40. Gross profits edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced, win rate strong overall, average trade positive with max drawdown very low, steady performance, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the HFT Scalper Premium has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group.